For earlier generation, a cardboard box was simply a cardboard box. But recent years have brought dramatic development in the marketplace with rapid evolution in such areas like material, die cutting and printing graphics. Welcome to JM Packaging.
We are one of the leading corrugated box manufacturers in India with an experience of more than 25 years. Our units are well equipped with best available production, testing facilities and experienced technical staff.
It's a second generation in the family on independent manufacturing company. We maintain one of the widest solutions of both types available in the nation.
JM Packaging has established a strong and good reputation in corrugated business. Thanks to forward thinking and a constant desire to improve, our precise customer service have enabled us to win the trust of our own clients and to meet their expectations.
The company is located at Vadodara, Gujarat, an industrial hub of India. Our Unit 1 is located in the middle of Vadodara city and Unit 2 is located at Kelanpur Daboi State Highway, Vadodara district. We manufacture different types of corrugated flute and paper combinations that include standard profiles as well as innovative and certified products. We produce containers, trays and corrugated board products to meet the needs of the customers in the field of dairy, food, industrial, electrical, automobiles, agriculture and commercial sectors. Our new state-of-the-art machineries like 5-color offset printing machine with quota, which add value as a part of our modernization plan for enhancing production and quality.
The flexibility, production efficiency and high quality printing is basic practice for us.
Presently, we have 90 machines, stunners which fold, glue, die cut, stitch, tape and expertly print on corrugated materials for broad range of standard packaging products and packaging customization from refrigerator boxes to small jewelry boxes. Whatever your packaging materials required, we can deliver.
सबसे बढ़िया क्वालिटी सही समय पर देना ही हमारी कंपनी का लक्ष्य है.
Before manufacturing begins, JM's state-of-the-art design department engineers your box to required precision. We also have a QA laboratory with all the instruments needed to conduct quality and test from the raw materials right to the finished product. So, passing industry standards, JM Quality Testing Lab performs an extensive material testing so we can guarantee that your packaged product is safeguarded until it reaches your end users.
Quality is never an accident. It is always a result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction and skillful execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives and we at JM Packaging are committed to do so.
Our quality is recognized by Quality Mark Awards and certified for ISO 9001-2015 certification, ISO 14001-2015 for environmental management system, providing assurance that your packaging is manufactured in accordance with responsible forestry. Each machine is synchronized, actively controlled and monitored to optimize resources, to keep lead time low and to ensure quality is achieved.
We are committed to quality and punctuality. Our passion is to develop zero defect product and adhere to applicable regulatory standards.
So what do we make? Regular slotted containers or RSC are the most commonly used type of boxes available in many sizes and design variation with the possibility of printing in up to 5 colors. Die-cut trays are used mostly for packing water, soft drink and all dairy products on automatic packing lines. Pads, partitions and corrugated sheets are used to cushion and secure goods inside the outer packaging, particularly used for bottles and glass jars.
हमारे यहाँ लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के मशीन से
using 6 separate simultaneous takeaway points that helps us to be the region's premier box supplier. For prompt delivery of the goods, we have our own transportation setup which helps us to deliver on-time material with utmost safety. Now, among the largest and most innovative players in the market, the company has a strong focus on new technology and innovative design But the key to our business success has always been and continues to be our commitment to outstanding customer care. Our clients include many big-name product manufacturers like Amul, Snyder, L&T, Baroda Dairy, Banco, Venture Lightning, Aroma de France, Global Gourmet, and many more. Providing continuous education and skill training is necessary for success and growth in the modern business environment. That is why we started skill development for the benefit of each team member to improve their specialized skills, fast operational efficiencies, and promote safety.
In today's market, packaging speaks first than the product. So we at JM Packaging make customers' product to look even more precious to customers.
From concept to delivery, you can depend on dedicated packaging manager for coordinating your orders. Innovative solutions and 5-star services best describes our approach to delivering value to our clients. Premier capabilities, innovative solutions, and personal commitment. That's how at JM we make boxes. JM Packaging.